In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cinematic YouTube intro right here in CapCut for free. Make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Now let's get started. So we're going to open up CapCut and create a new project. Click on library right here. We're going to select one of these black background options and add it to the project. Over here you can actually adjust the background to your preferred duration. So we're going to make it about 5 seconds. Alright, so the next we're going to do is to add some text. Click on text at the bottom, then add text, and you can write whatever you want. We're going to say cinematic, and we're going to change the font style. Click on fonts, and you can use any of these inbuilt or system fonts, or you can also use custom fonts imported into CapCut. To do that, all you have to do is click on add font, and as you can see, I have some fonts here that I have imported into CapCut. By the way, I have some videos on how you can actually do that. Check out my channel and you can learn how you can do that for free. Now I'm going to use this particular font right here. Click on OK, and I'm going to increase the size like this. Okay, so you can adjust the text to cover the entire video. And next we're going to export the video. Click on done and then create a new project. Add the video we just exported, and then this is the crucial part of the video, so make sure you pay attention. Now select the video and then click on the keyframes button right here and scroll all the way to mask. Click on mask and select this mirror option right here, and we're going to rotate the mask to about 45 degrees. Okay, so we're going to move the mask somewhere here like this. Let me decrease the size, and then we're going to drag this transparency button right here, drag it a little bit like this, and we're going to move the playhead to somewhere here, and then we're going to drag the mask to the beginning of the text like this, and then we'll bring the playhead at the end of the video, and we're going to drag the mask to the end of the text like this. Now let's see how this looks. This is amazing, but hang around, we're not done yet. So you can also add some effects if you like. So click on effects at the bottom, then click on video effects, and let's search for, we're going to add some noise effect. Let's search for noise, and then let's see noise 2. Okay, let's click on OK, and then let's drag it to cover the entire video. And that is how to make a cinematic YouTube intro in CapCut. You can further add a music that matches the mood and brand of your channel, export it, and you can use it in your YouTube video. If you found value in this video, then give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future.